saved all her friends with her superpowers. Super Ella is flying!
Sofia, come on, honey. Our guests are here.
I'll be right there, Mom. I hope Ethan hasn't come. I am the superhero Ella. Super Ella. Of course he... Super Ella!
Meet my new monster truck, Simplest!
Run away! Hide now!
He's gonna crush us all!
Let's get under the bed! Go, go, go!
Come on, I'll catch you all! Uh-oh, why won't the toy go in?
Toy! The toy will crush us!
A complete monster!
We're stuck here. How do we get out?
I have an idea, guys. The remote. Ethan controls the monster truck with the remote. If the remote breaks, it can't move. Helicopter! Can you knock the remote out of Ethan's hand?
Yes, I can do it. I got it.
You hurt my hand, Simple? Ouch! Where did that battery go?
I think the truck stopped when the remote broke.
I think you should be careful! Ouch! Monster! What? A monster? Where is the monster?
We actually thought you were the monster.
Me? Monster! Ha 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 ha! Come on!
You almost crushed us.
Oh, did I do it again? It's because of that remote control. Every time Ethan picks it up, I lose my temper.
Hey, I finally found it! Let's put this battery in!
Ethan fixed the remote.
I need to get away from you! Get away from me!
Oh yeah, where were we?
No! Oh no, no! Hey!
Ouch! No! Ella, get out of here! Save yourself! It's too dangerous!
Hey! I'm back!
You're the best! Yes!
Ella, thank you so much. I'm finally completely free now.
You are a real hero, Ella. You saved our lives.
Hooray! Hero Ella!
Bravo, Ella! Well done! You're magnificent!
Hooray!
You're the best!
Why isn't this remote working? I put the battery in. Ha! Now it's on. You'll see it now. Why isn't this toy going in? Why isn't this remote working? Huh? You? All toy? Uh-oh. Mommy!
Oh, Ethan, why did you break into my room? Hey, wait! You forgot your toy.
I don't want you to have that monster.
Welcome aboard.
Toon Kids. Dr. Ella, what's wrong with me? There are noises coming from your engine. Cough for me, please. Please tell me what's wrong.
Is anyone there? Save us, it's too hot, I can't
Huh?
stand it. Save us, it's too hot, I can't stand it. Is anyone there? Oh, it's so hot, save us, save us.
Hey guys, did you hear the voices too?
Yes, Ella. We heard them too.
Someone must be in trouble.
Let's go find where the sound is coming from.
It's too hot, I can't stand it. Help!
They're in there. Let's help them. Oh, this place looks so much fun.
Friends, this is the kitchen. Full of dangers. We shouldn't touch anything.
Look, when you press here, the lid moves.
Whoa, I'm flying! No, I'm falling!
Friends, I said we shouldn't touch anything, didn't I?
Okay, Teddy Bear, you're right.
Save us! It's so hot, I can't stand it.
The sounds were coming from here.
This is called an oven, friends. It can burn us if we touch it.
How are we going to save them?
Do you see the round parts on it, Ella? Oven shut off when you turn them.
I can turn it, but how will I get there? I have an idea. Are you ready, Ella? I'm ready, Vosvos. 1, 2, 3, jump! You did it, Ella. Yes, we did it. Which way should I turn this? Right or left?
It's so hot, I can't stand it. Is anybody there? It's so hot, I can't stand it.
Sorry, that was wrong. I'm turning it the other way.
Now you've done it, Ella.
Yeah, hooray. How will we get the ones in the oven out?
Vosvos, we can open the oven door with your rope.
Good idea. The lid is completely open. We did it. We saved everyone.
Oh, finally we're saved. I'm stuck, I can't get up.
It was so cozy in there. Now I'm cold.
These are the gingerbread men. Gingerbread lady.
You're supposed to bake in the oven anyway. Why did you ask for help?
My side was too hot, look how I've darkened. My side was fine, actually.
I'm still cold.
I'm stuck. I can't get up, please help me.
I have an idea.
that feels good. Thanks, guys. You saved me. This milk is also delicious.
You've grown so much, Gingerbread Man.
Wow, that's great. I want milk too, please.
I want some milk too, but make it warm.
Anyway, I changed my mind.
Me too. I feel so good. All soft everywhere.
Toon Kids.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come.
How dark it is under the bed. Light is seeping through the wall. This place feels like a hallway in a house. The girl in this painting looks so much like Sofia. I wonder who this toy is. Oh, I feel someone lives here.
What are you doing here?
I was playing hide and seek.
And you decided to hide in my house.
I'm very sorry. I should never come here.
Wait,
Huh?
are you Sophia's new toy?
Yes. I just got here. And you? You must be the toy in those photos.
Yes. I used to be Sophia's favorite toy. Then she started hurting me all the time.
Did she do this to you?
Yeah, so you mustn't go back. You can hide here with me. Don't let her do the same to you.
She must have done it by mistake when she was little.
You're naive. She'll play with you enough and then tear you apart.
Heh, I won by tagging everyone.
You haven't found Ella. You can still lose.
Ella's been gone so long, something must be wrong.
Ella. Come out when I say apple, not when I say pear.
Apple. And did you see where Ella was hiding?
If I'm not mistaken, Ela hid under the bed.
Come on, guys, we have to find Ella before Sophia gets here.
She must have gone this way.
Yes, let's go.
Not on this side.
There's light coming from here. Okay, I'll get it.
Help me, I'm over here.
I can hear Ella. I think I'm close. Ella, I'll save you right now. Who did this to you?
A rag doll lives here. She said Sophia would hurt me and lock me in here. Thank you, Mistress.
Come on, let's get out of here.
You're right. Let's let the others know.
Ella must have escaped and gone to Sophia. I couldn't protect her. Did Sophia really turn out to be a good person? There's only one way to find this out.
Friends, thank you all. You saved me.
I wish I could have told the rag doll that Sophia is a nice person.
Oh, here comes the rag doll, see? Hello, welcome.
Hello, welcome. Sophia's coming. Everyone to their places.
Oh, my darling rag doll. Where did you come from like this? You're a bit worn. Let me put you with the other toys. I'm so glad I found you.
Hello, little adventurers! Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our thrilling and joyful journeys.